Has this happened to you? You're sitting on the couch, you're watching Netflix, and you hear a character say, "We're not on good terms. We're not on the best of terms." And you think, wait, what's going on here? We're not on good terms. We're not on the best of terms. So immediately, yes, your brain starts spinning and you're thinking, okay, terms like terms and conditions, like contract, sign, terms and conditions. Or is it like a school term? The number of months in each part of the year, and then you have a holiday, school terms. No, no, no. Now, the main reason that this phrase is so confusing is because you will never find this kind of language in a standard textbook. And if you are someone who is B1 and you really want to understand native English speakers, you want to get to C2 level, well then, hi there and welcome to Real World English Decoded, and I'm Nas. So do take a moment to hit subscribe so that you are always updated when we launch a new video. Now, when you hear that phrase, and I'm assuming that you are a really dynamic, ambitious learner, so you probably head straight to the dictionary, you look up terms, and what comes up? Yeah, absolute chaos. More confusion. There's some legal jargon. There are mathematical phrases. Now you are really stressed and frustrated. Well, stop, chill, take a break, put down that dictionary. We're going to fix this one together. And we're going to do it by looking at 3 real-world sentences. Let's start with Brooklyn Beckham. Would you say that Brooklyn Beckham and his family are not on good terms? They are not on the best of terms? Fantastic. Let's look at Meghan Markle and her father. Would you agree that they are not on good terms? They are not on the best of terms? Excellent. How about Prince William and Prince Harry? I would say they are not on good terms. They are not on the best of terms. Now, looking at those 3 examples, can you guess what it means? Yes, perfect. So if you are not on good terms with someone, if you are not on the best of terms with someone, it means you don't have a good relationship with them right now. Perhaps you've had an argument, you're not speaking, you're a little distant, you're angry with each other. You're not on good terms. And it has absolutely nothing to do with terms and conditions or with contracts or with school terms. It just means that right now the vibe is bad. It's really not good. And hey, guess what? You just decoded real world English. So tell me in the comments, someone you are on good terms with, and maybe someone you are not on good terms with, not on the best of terms with. Drop your comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and perhaps you'd like to share this with a friend who is also struggling with advanced English. I'm Nas. See you in the next one.